Creating longing, 7 surefire steps to make him miss you every time. In today's fast-paced dating world, maintaining a deep connection and keeping the flame of desire alive can be a challenge. Yet, there are timeless strategies rooted in human psychology that can reignite passion and make your partner yearn for your presence. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the intricacies of making him miss you, presenting 7 meticulously crafted steps designed to captivate his heart and mind. Step 1. Silence speaks louder than words. Refusing to openly express your longing may seem unconventional, yet it's a remarkably potent strategy in evoking his desire. Rather than confronting him head-on about any perceived distance, subtlety becomes your greatest ally. The decision to avoid direct discussions about missing him cultivates an aura of mystique, drawing him into a captivating enigma that begs unraveling. This deliberate silence serves as a catalyst for curiosity, prompting him to delve deeper into the complexities of your connection. In the absence of explicit conversations, he's left to ponder the intricacies of your relationship independently. As he grapples with the mystery surrounding your emotions, an insatiable longing begins to take root within him. Driven by an innate desire to decipher the enigma you've become, he finds himself irresistibly drawn to your presence. Each moment of silence becomes a symphony of unspoken longing, echoing through the corridors of his mind and igniting a fervent yearning to uncover the depths of your heart. In this dance of intrigue and allure, your silence becomes a potent force, weaving a spell that binds him to you in ways words could never convey. Having mastered the art of silence, you're now ready to delve into the power of absence. Step 2. The power of absence. In our modern era, where communication is ceaseless and omnipresent, the power of withdrawal can serve as a compelling strategy for reigniting passion and desire. Imagine stepping back from the constant flow of conversations, giving him the opportunity to step forward and take the lead. By deliberately withholding your usual stream of communication, you create a space, a vacuum that he subconsciously yearns to fill. The absence of your familiar presence sparks a longing within him, igniting a desire to bridge the gap you've intentionally created with your silence. It's crucial to understand that this isn't about severing all ties. Instead, it's about allowing him to realize the profound value of your absence. In this deliberate act of withdrawal, you wield a subtle yet potent influence. It's akin to pulling back the bowstring before releasing an arrow. The tension builds, the anticipation mounts, and when the arrow is finally released, its impact is all the more powerful. Similarly, by temporarily retreating from the forefront of communication, you amplify your presence in his thoughts and emotions. He becomes acutely aware of the space you once occupied, now longing to fill it with your essence once more. But it's not merely about playing hard to get or manipulating emotions. It's about fostering a deeper appreciation for the connection you share. In allowing him to take the reins, you empower him to recognize the significance of your presence in his life. And when he does reach out, the reunion is imbued with a renewed sense of excitement and longing, enriching the bond between you both. In essence, the art of withdrawal is a delicate dance, a strategic retreat that ultimately leads to a more profound connection. So, dare to step back, embrace the silence, and watch as desire blooms anew in the space you've created. With the foundation of absence laid, it's time to focus on cultivating a radiant aura that will amplify your allure. Step 3. Cultivate a radiant aura. Your vibrant energy and captivating demeanor wield profound influence over his perception of you. Rather than yielding to disappointment or frustration, radiate confidence and optimism whenever you're with him. Concealing any inner turmoil, project an aura of genuine happiness and fulfillment, transforming into an irresistible force of positivity in his world. Inject your conversations with laughter, spontaneity, and boundless joy, etching unforgettable memories onto his heart. As you showcase the most captivating aspects of your personality, you effortlessly generate a magnetic attraction that steadily pulls him closer with every shared moment. Let your presence be a beacon of light in his life, illuminating his path with warmth and affection. Embrace the power you hold to captivate his attention and win his admiration, painting a vibrant tapestry of connection and enchantment that binds you together in a bond of irresistible allure. As you exude confidence and positivity, you create an irresistible magnetism that sets the stage for prioritizing self-love and independence. Step 4. Prioritize self-love and independence. In the art of cultivating longing and desire in him, it's crucial never to sacrifice your own sense of value and autonomy. Embrace your unique identity and prioritize your personal journey of growth and fulfillment. Show him that your existence is rich and meaningful beyond the confines of your relationship by dedicating yourself to a diverse and fulfilling life outside of it. Stand firm in declining impromptu invitations and honor the commitments you've made, affirming that your time is precious and deserving of reverence. By embodying a steadfast sense of independence, you not only earn his respect but also foster a deeper appreciation for your role in his life. Let him see that you are a force to be reckoned with, a person of substance and purpose, whose presence enriches his world in ways he could never have imagined. In doing so, you not only stoke the flames of his longing but also nurture a profound bond built on mutual respect and admiration. With a strong sense of self firmly established, it's time to embrace the allure of mystery, leaving him captivated and intrigued. Step 5. Embrace the allure of mystery. Harness the power of mystery as a compelling force that ignites curiosity and allure. Instead of laying bare every facet of your daily existence, tantalize him with enigmatic glimpses into your world. Share fragments of your life selectively, allowing him the pleasure of unraveling the complexities of your character over time. By preserving an aura of mystery, you ensnare his attention and fuel his desire to delve deeper into the essence of who you are. It's not about deceit, but rather about maintaining the captivating allure of the undiscovered, enticing him to embark on a journey of exploration into the depths of your being. Let each interaction be a tantalizing puzzle, enticing him to crave more as he seeks to decipher the mysteries you hold. In doing so, you weave an irresistible spell that binds him to you, fostering a connection built on intrigue and fascination. Embrace the art of enigma, and watch as he becomes increasingly enchanted by the enigmatic allure you exude. As mystery envelopes your interactions, it becomes crucial to engage in meaningful conversations, laying bare your desires and expectations. Step 6. Engage in meaningful conversations. When the moment feels ripe, take the initiative to engage in candid and transparent conversations regarding the intricacies of your relationship. Embrace any signs of his awareness of shifts in your demeanor as an invitation for constructive dialogue. Articulate your expectations and aspirations clearly, reinforcing your inherent value and boundaries. Resist the urge to diminish your needs merely to pacify him, recognizing that genuine intimacy flourishes within an environment of mutual respect and comprehension. By cultivating a culture of open communication, you establish the bedrock for a flourishing and enriching partnership grounded in trust and genuineness. Invite him into a space where vulnerability is welcomed and embraced, where fears and desires can be openly shared without fear of judgment or reproach. Encourage him to express his thoughts and emotions freely, fostering an atmosphere of mutual understanding and empathy. Through these heartfelt exchanges, you deepen your connection and strengthen the bond that binds you together. Remember that communication is not merely about the words spoken but also about the willingness to listen attentively and empathetically. Be receptive to his concerns and attentive to his needs, demonstrating your commitment to nurturing a relationship that honors both of your individuality and shared aspirations. In fostering such an environment of openness and honesty, you pave the way for a relationship that not only endures but also thrives amidst life's challenges and uncertainties. Embrace the transformative power of authentic communication, and watch as your bond with him blossoms into something truly remarkable and enduring. With open communication fostering a deeper connection, You're empowered to embrace the final step, detachment, signaling your unwavering commitment to self-love and fulfillment. Step 7. Embrace the power of detachment. Ultimately, true empowerment lies in the willingness to walk away from anything that does not serve your highest good. Acknowledge that your happiness and fulfillment are non-negotiable and be prepared to walk away if the relationship fails to meet your standards. By embracing the power of detachment, you assert your autonomy and reclaim control over your destiny. Remember, a relationship founded on fear and insecurity is inherently unsustainable. Trust in your worth and have faith that the universe will conspire in your favor, guiding you towards a love that honors and celebrates the essence of who you are. In conclusion, mastering the art of making him miss you requires a delicate balance of assertiveness, vulnerability, and self-assurance. By following these 7 steps, you can ignite the flames of passion and create a profound longing within him that transcends mere physical attraction. Remember, true love blossoms in the fertile soil of authenticity and mutual respect. Embrace your power, trust in the journey, and watch as the universe conspires to fulfill your heart's deepest desires. Join our vibrant community on YouTube. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for exclusive content and updates. Your engagement fuels our passion for creating valuable videos. Don't miss out, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe now to stay connected with us.